Hi everyone, this is me, Joy, your House Trends PH. If you're looking for a perfect home, something secure, luxury, and easy to manage, this house is designed especially for people working abroad or respected retiree clients. So why this house is your smart investment? So the number one reason is this. House is perfect for you because this is smart home. Worry-free management. If you are abroad, you need peace of mind. You can control the lights, check the cameras, and manage everything using an app on your phone. You never have to worry about leaving things on. Second is staff security. We include the installed 8-camera CCTV system. And third is pioneering project. This community of Trevea is the first project of Albeo in Nubali with smart technology and investing in future for real estate in the Philippines. So let's talk about the space and location of Trevea. So you get a big of 270 square meter lot and a massive 3-story house with 397.50 square meter of floor area. So the design and the lights of house space is the beautiful morning sun. Open layout to make sure that your house is always bright and well ventilated. So when it comes location access of Trevea, the great access is the SLEX exit, Santa Rosa, Canlubang. So as you can see, no stress in travel. So the perfect spot of this house is near in Clubhouse. So this house is designed so you can move in and start relaxing right away. Ang maganda pa dito, meron tayong tinatawag na deep pool and 4 bedrooms with 4 toilet and bath. Imagine that. So it comes with fully equipped and 3rd floor theater. So with the sound system, and you know what, this is 6-seater electric. Meron tayong 2-car garage and extra exit here going to the swimming pool area. So as you can see, no, sa area na to, we have a CCTV already installed from the right side. We have a maid's quarter room. And syempre kung may driver tayo, hindi din mawawala yung sarili niyang room and has own toilet and bath. So, pagpasok nyo pa lang dito, you have an access on your lanay, and especially meron tayong fencing na 1-meter gate, especially sa mga pet lover dyan na ayaw mo namang makulong sa bahay mo lang, no? Pasok tayo sa main door ng bahay na to. So, as you can see, this is a smart door. You can off, you can lock wherever you are, kung anong oras, dahil pwede mo siyang ma-access through your phone. So, welcome in this beautiful home. So, this property is a short, easy walk to the clubhouse. This is a single loaded lot, which also means easy access to the back area, no neighboring house blocking the view. So this house is designed so you can move in, start, and relaxing right away. So isa pa dito sa pinaka-favorite ko sa bahay na to, when it comes own mini swimming pool area and a fully equipped theater room. So there are 4 bedrooms na nasabi ko nga kanina dito, and all of them are suites, and each one has its own bed, own private bathroom, and own closet and balcony. So the lanai room on the ground floor has its own full bathroom and making it a perfect extra room for our aging parents or home office. So perfect din siya sa mga senior or parents natin na ayaw nang pumunta sa pinaka second floor, or pwede din siyang maging guest room area. So ang kagandahan dito, overlooking for our deep pool, no? So this house is more than just a home. It's an investment in your peace of mind. And you know what? You work hard abroad and you're ready for a comfortable retirement. So this property offers a security of smart technology, as you can see, and luxury of resort lifestyle. So all in one, ready to move in package. And you won't find this perfect blend of size features and smart convenience anywhere else. So we only have limited opportunity like this. Don't miss the chance to secure the safe, comfortable, and intelligent home you truly deserve. So, if you are ready to view, no, pupuntahan natin yan ngayon. So, andito tayo ngayon sa ating dining set with 10 chairs and sofa set. And as you can see, the center light or chandelier na mga ginamit, no? This house is fully furnished, no? With installed camera CCTVs and air condition. So, from the right side, this is our kitchen. So, this is the kitchen area, overhead cabinet, island, and wine shelves. So, dito sa ating pinaka-wine shelves, syempre sa mga mahilig mag-collect dyan, this is a perfect to display, no, kung ano yung mga favorite wine nyo. So, this is a refrigerator. Included siya sa pinaka selling price ng bahay. So, sabi ko nga kanina, this is a fully furnished. Dadagdagan mo na lang ng TV if you want, no? So, napansin nyo din kanina, hindi siya halatang mayroong pantry dito. So, from the left side of our kitchen, this is a pantry. Anytime, pag nagugutom ka, andito lang siya. And isa pa dito, ang nagandahan ako dito, hindi mo makahalata. Para lang siyang isang highlight ng bahay nyo. Pero meron tayo dyan tinatawag na pantry storage. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na this is our extra bed, extra guest area na overlooking view niya, yung pinaka-deep pool. So, tara, check natin. Ito yung pinaka-overlooking niya, yung our deep pool with 4 feet, no? So, going to the Lanay Garden and kitang-kita nyo yung view nung pinaka-subdivision, yung Trebea. So, from our right side, left side, talagang yung view nito, ganito siya. So, mapapansin nyo, no obstacles. Look at the view from the right side. Open parks yung location ng bahay nyo. So, no neighborhood, no? And perfect for retirees na gusto ng peace, gustong mapag-isa, or gusto ng malayo sa iba, and gusto ng privacy. This is it. So, this our guest rooms near to the swimming pool area. You have own toilet and bath. So, ayan. So, pwede ka na din ditong maligo after mo mag-swimming pool, no? Hindi mo na kailangang pumunta sa pinaka-common CR natin from the living area. So, this house, sabi ko nga kanina, has 4 bedrooms and has own toilet and bath. So, we have also a walk-in closet and balcony. And isa sa pinaka-favorite part ko dito sa bahay na to, on our 3rd floor is we have a theater room with 6 seaters, no? Kaya naman, you might consider this. So, for those who didn't know, Trebea is the first developed by Albeo in Nubali with 60 hectares, no? Imagine that. And this is a limited offer because this is a ready for occupancy and open for cash or bank financing, no? And isa pa dito, almost fully furnished. So, imagine that, no? Kaya naman, if you are looking and you want to know more about this project, bibigyan ko kayo dito ng full house tour ng bahay. And if you are interested, book your private tour now. So, contact us at 63955-468-2543 through Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. And see you on my next one.